Alrighty, here I have my RC Genesis boat. Alright, for starters, we've got the RC boat BITZ offset rudder assembly on there. I'm running the RC boat BITZ rear blade, the twin pickups. Actually has pickups either side, good idea. I'm running the RC boat BITZ strut as well as the 316 drive system, 42mm prop. We'll come over here to the top. I've put cowl locks on to lock the hood down, lock the cowl on. Good idea. Alright, now the motor. So 3672, 1650 kV, 180 amp SEAKING SPEEDY, all water cooled. As you can see, I've upgraded the water cooling system. I've got the saver on there, shaft saver all set up on there. Scanner waterproof RC. If you can see from the down in there, I've got the Traxxas radio box, waterproof radio box set up in there. I've put my water outlets up the top here so I can actually see the water coming out of the boat and make sure the cooling's working good. Other than that, that's about it. Hoping to get about 130 out of it.